Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 2 of season 1 of Sons of Anarchy. I'm very much looking forward to this. No more Asian Elvis, I would assume, but still looking forward to it. Let's get to it.
I just got an update from my city hall snitch. Looks like Hale's got a warrant to search our warehouse.
Jesus. Why didn't he give up any? They treat him like a bitch. Oh, he didn't come to the job, but still.
He died 50 yards inside Charming. Bluebird Warehouse is part of my murder investigation, and that's a warrant. In case you've never actually seen one.
I'll flush their brothers with bleach. No DNA.
What kind of nasty shit did your mama do to you?
Seriously.
What do you mean?
God, he's a fucking nut. I'm already fond of the show. You don't always hear freaking crime dramas.
Holy shit.
Okay, that was fast.
Jesus, put a leash on his hyperactive deputy.
Unce is just waiting for the clock to run out. That old boy's a lame duck.
So your boy, not really a team player.
My man!
Several gestures of
Charlie
friendship
Otto.
he's declined every.
Goddamn niggas have been jacking the shit out of him. Keep your eyes open on this one.
I'll make sure they get where they're going.
Don't fuck him over.
Promise.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
That was fast.
Just made quarterly insurance payments. I'm gonna be tapped until the end of next month, okay? And I'm sorry, son.
That's all right. Thanks, Pop.
Oh, this is actual dad?
Important thing is to keep your DNA out of the petri dish. Protect the club.
Path of least resistance, always best, right?
I like it.
Don't make me regret this.
I don't know his name on the show yet. Why doesn't Shades have a Sons of Anarchy thing on his vest?
They really cremate bodies here?
Yeah, no kidding. I've been trying to push up on that for a long time.
You want to hook up with the Crow Eater? I'll make it happen.
Really? Shit, you got a deal.
That was easy.
I'm not
I'll give you some guys to watch your back in case they retaliate. But we gotta let this shit settle down before we make our next move. Now don't worry, we'll both get what we want.
He's such a piece of shit. He's such a piece of shit. I'm here for it.
What do you need? What can I do?
You know Skeeter, right?
Yeah, that guy's been trying to get my pants since high school.
I need you to let him in.
Are you serious?
Is the hand. Beautiful. Emily.
Isn't he slick?
Cross my heart. I need you, Emily.
Jesus, you know he's a goofball.
Fair enough.
Do me a favor.
What you need?
Put your cut on.
Emily's a mess.
We'll leave dog with some good dead Mexican stench.
Dude, I tell them I lost in battle. All they want to do is wrap their patriotic lips around it.
That's gross.
No, I heard about Wendy. Very sad. I can't say I'm surprised.
Guess you wouldn't be.
Something on your mind? Well, thank God you're only a doctor.
We'll see what Wendy says when she comes out of detox. Or maybe I'll bounce my theory off of Jack's. See where he lands on it.
Don't push it, lady.
Then why'd you come back to Charming?
Because of the job.
Which one? Doctor or detective? You want to touch me, sweetheart? That make you happy?
I love her. I just do. I just do. Oh my God.
Cops run those bogus plates, they can search that SUV from top to bottom.
We got 2 dead bodies in there, man.
Gotta do something. Oh, Oh!
Well, let's get a sky.
Get in here, faggots!
I'm a fan of the show already.
Wait a minute. See what I see? Hey, that's that douchebag that cut us off.
Love that. Why? I mean, you get away, but it's hilarious. Otherwise, why?
Don't ever cut me off again, shithead.
What are you doing? Hey! My store! This is my store! What
Oh God, leave him alone.
Hey!
Oh! Oh, sir. Oh, shit! What?
Holy shit.
We can't take your checks anymore. The last two bounced.
I'll just pay cash.
This is embarrassing. Worse than embarrassing. I'm sure we can't afford shit.
We're having a little family dinner tonight. You and Hope should come. Bring the kids. You might actually have a good time. Don't say anything else. My Martha Stewart's wearing real thin.
You've always been a Silco's pocket. This is about...
Stop talking, son. One more wrong thing comes out of your mouth and I'll rip that badge off your puffed out chest.
He's trying to do the right thing, but fuck that. He's been walking around this whole episode like he's
Sorry, Floyd.
Big Dick McGee. Fuck that guy.
That boy needs a hot shave.
Jesus.
There were 2 dead women in the utility hatch before my guys got pulled off. They're gone.
It could have been napping.
You guys. So you enjoy the ride. Well, you still can.
When they gather around the parlor talking,
what's that about?
that's when Billy would take me walking.
I see Dummy in the picture. Clay. She want to burn it. It's like evidence of something. She seems very concerned. Aww. Jesus, 72, 28, 36. All right, that was episode 2 of season 1 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first, Gemma, my favorite character so far. We're not counting Agent Elvis, right? Okay, we're not. So Gemma is my favorite character. She is... There's no real political correct way to say a cunt. Well, it could be deemed sexist or misogynistic. It is accurate. Can't do anything about that. And I love her. I just do. I don't know what exactly is she's hiding from her son. Clearly her former husband, Jax's father, felt a way about where the Sons of Anarchy were heading. They lost their way. You played Red Dead, kind of the Hosea to Dutch. They didn't have him killed, did they? I don't know. I do feel a way about it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Some of the dialogue on the show is fantastic. Like, super... Like, you've heard about it previously, my man with one nudge, apparently, and then you hear a snippet of it here, you know exactly what he's referring to, and it's hilarious in and of itself, but you don't need more than a second of it. And it works to perfection, like Tarantino on a pill. I'm here for it. The chief deputy, or deputy chief, whatever, I must admit, well, he is on the side of right, rather clearly. He bothers me. involves him quite a bit. If I was going to stick with the Red Dead Redemption analogy, he'd be Milton. You know, he's right. He just is right. This is some fucked up, repugnant shit going on. And he should be trying to clean it up. But apparently it's going to fade away in and of itself. Jax did not seem to be all that against him at the end. When he was talking, you kind of see that he kind of agrees with some of the sentiments. And we know for a fact, because last episode he was thinking about moving, asking Clay if he wanted to move out of the... We don't rebuild it, put the money somewhere else, etc., etc. I'm shocked Wendy lived. Not mad, but I am shocked. And I don't know the doctor's name, but she came at Jim sideways this episode. And I feel like she's pushing her fucking luck. And I knocked that shit off if I was you. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.